Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Bendigo Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here, and now at the search bar type in bendigobank.com.au and then click on enter. Now at the right hand side you can see a login option. Right next to it, click on this drop down box and select the appropriate option for you. Now click on login button. After that you can type in your SSID here. You can also check this box if you want to remember the SSID on this website. And then click on next. Now type in your password and then click on next to log into your Bendigo Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.